The Mediterranean diet is a popular and healthy way of eating associated with various health benefits. However, as with any diet, it is possible to make mistakes that can hinder progress and lead to negative health outcomes. In this article, we will explore some common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet to help you achieve optimal health and well-being. What are some common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet? Common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet include not eating enough fruits and vegetables, eating too many processed foods, not consuming enough healthy fats, drinking too much wine or alcohol, not eating enough protein in your diet, not drinking enough water. To ensure that you better understand the common mistakes most people fall into when on the Mediterranean diet, we have created this article. What are some common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a healthy, sustainable way of eating that emphasizes whole foods, healthy fats, and plant-based foods. It is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. However, as with any diet, it is possible to make mistakes that can hinder progress and lead to negative health outcomes. In this article, we will discuss some common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet. Not eating enough fruits and vegetables. One of the primary components of the Mediterranean diet is the consumption of plant-based foods such as fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for optimal health. However, many people on the Mediterranean diet fail to consume enough fruits and vegetables, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. To avoid this mistake, it is essential to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. Aim to consume at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and include a variety of colors to ensure that you are getting a range of nutrients. Consuming too many processed foods. The Mediterranean diet is based on whole, unprocessed foods. However, many people make the mistake of consuming too many processed foods, which can be high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods can also contain artificial preservatives and other additives that can harm your health. To avoid this mistake, focusing on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds is essential. If you do consume processed foods, be sure to read labels carefully and choose products that are low in sugar and unhealthy fats. Not consuming enough healthy fats. Healthy fats are a key Mediterranean diet component and essential for optimal health. These fats can help to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and support brain function. However, many people on the Mediterranean diet do not consume enough healthy fats, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. To avoid this mistake, it is essential to include healthy fats in your meals. Good sources of healthy fats include olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, and fatty fish such as salmon. Overconsumption of wine. Moderate consumption of wine is a part of the Mediterranean diet, and it has been associated with several health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease. However, it is essential to remember that moderation is key. Overconsumption of wine can lead to negative health outcomes, including liver damage, addiction, and increased risk of certain cancers. To avoid this mistake, it is essential to consume wine in moderation. Not eating enough protein. However, many people on the Mediterranean diet make the mistake of not consuming enough protein, which can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and other health problems. To avoid this mistake, it is essential to include protein-rich foods in your meals. Good sources of protein include beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, tofu, eggs, and fatty fish. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal health, and it is easy to forget to drink enough water when you are focused on eating healthy foods. However, dehydration can lead to a range of health problems, including headaches, fatigue, and impaired cognitive function. To avoid this mistake, drinking enough water throughout the day is essential. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you exercise or spend time in hot weather. The Mediterranean diet is a popular and healthy way of eating, but it's easy to make mistakes that can hinder progress and lead to negative health outcomes. This video outlines some of the most common mistakes to avoid on the Mediterranean diet, such as not consuming enough fruits and vegetables, consuming too many processed foods, and not consuming enough healthy fats. It also includes tips on avoiding these mistakes and achieving optimal health and well-being on the Mediterranean diet.